Saving our planet. A call to action for a sustainable future. The Earth, our home, is at a critical juncture. Climate change, deforestation, pollution, and loss of biodiversity threaten the very foundation of life as we know it. Human activity, driven by industrialization, consumerism, unsustainable practices, has pushed our planet to the brink. However, it is not too late to reverse these effects. It's through collective action, innovative solutions, and a commitment to sustainability, we can save the planet for future generations. The challenges we face. 1. Climate change and global warming. One of the most pressing environmental issues is climate change. The burning of fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, into the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing global temperatures to rise. This has led to extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and disruptions to ecosystems. If left unchecked, climate change will continue to threaten food security, water availability, and human health. 2. Deforestation and habitat destruction. Forests are often referred to as the lungs of the earth, absorbing CO2 and producing oxygen. However, rampant deforestation for agriculture, logging, and urban expansion has significantly reduced forest cover worldwide. This destruction not only contributes to climate change, but also leads to the loss of habitat for countless species, pushing many to the brink of extinction. 3. Pollution. Air, water, and land pollution in all its forms is a major environmental concern. Air pollution, caused by vehicle emissions and industrial activities, leads to respiratory diseases and contributes to global warming. Water pollution, from plastic waste, industrial runoff, and oil spills, contaminates drinking water and harms marine life. Land pollution, through improper waste disposal and toxic chemicals, depletes soil quality and impacts agriculture. 4. Loss of biodiversity. Biodiversity is essential for a healthy and balanced ecosystem. However, habitat destruction, pollution, overfishing, and climate change have led to the rapid decline of many species. The loss of biodiversity affects food chains, natural resources, and the overall health of the planet. Solutions and actions to save the planet. 1. Transition to renewable energy. Reducing reliance on fossil fuels is crucial. Governments, businesses, and individuals must invest in renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Advancements in technology have made these energy sources more accessible and cost-effective. Supporting policies that promote clean energy and reducing personal carbon footprints can make a significant difference. 2. Sustainable agriculture and reforestation. Agriculture must shift toward sustainable practices that minimize deforestation and land degradation. Recrostery, permaculture, and organic farming help restore soil health and reduce environmental impact. Reforestation efforts and afforestation projects can help absorb carbon emissions, restore habitats, and combat desertification. 3. Reducing waste and promoting recycling. Waste management is essential for a cleaner planet. Individuals can contribute by reducing plastic consumption, reusing materials, and recycling properly. Governments should implement policies that encourage a circular economy where products are designed for reuse and minimal waste generation. 4. Conservation of water resources. Water is a finite resource, and conserving it is vital. Simple actions such as fixing leaks, using water-efficient appliances, and reducing unnecessary water usage can help. Industries must adopt water recycling technologies. Governments should implement measures to protect freshwater sources from pollution and overuse. 5. Protecting wildlife and natural habitats. Conservation programs in protected areas help preserve biodiversity. Supporting wildlife conservation organizations, advocating for stronger environmental policies, promoting responsible tourism are ways individuals can contribute. Reducing the demand for products derived from endangered species also helps combat illegal wildlife trade. 6. Sustainable urban development. Cities must adopt eco-friendly infrastructure, including green buildings, efficient public transportation, and sustainable waste management systems. Urban planning should prioritize green spaces, pedestrian-friendly areas, and renewable energy integration to create healthier and more sustainable communities. 7. Education and advocacy. Raising awareness about environmental issues is crucial for change. Schools, businesses, and communities must prioritize environmental education. Social media, documentaries, and public campaigns can also influence positive behavior. Advocating for environmental policies and holding corporations accountable can drive systemic change. The role of individuals in protecting the planet. Each person has the power to make a difference. Simple lifestyle changes, such as reducing energy consumption, eating a plant-based diet, supporting sustainable brands, and minimizing single-use plastics, contribute to the overall well-being of the planet. Collective action leads to a larger impact, making it imperative that individuals take responsibility for their choices. Conclusion: saving the planet requires urgent and collective efforts. The challenges are immense, the solutions are within reach. By transitioning to sustainable energy, protecting natural ecosystems, reducing waste, and advocating for environmental policies, we can create a healthier planet. It is our responsibility to act now for ourselves, for future generations, for the countless species that share this earth with us. The time to act is now. Together we can make a difference.